This is a new assembly plant for LED bulbs, now in Mbale Industrial Park, which will come to you in the market, branded Made in Uganda. And this is a detergent packaging plant in the same stride. This is just part of many factories planned for this industrial park to create 15,000 jobs. In fact, for the man behind the multi-million-dollar setup, he may be delayed by the lack of sufficient electricity.
You know, since government connect the power, only how many months? Only 10 months. I used 10 months already. Today, you see, 3 factory already running. If government won't give enough electricity, 3 years, full Mbale Industry Park. Maybe 2 years, but I guarantee 3 years, finish.
Government has embarked on a dual system approach to industrial parks establishment to gain better and even faster footprint, and it is helping the import substitution drive.
The brain behind the model of Kapeka, that was purely done with the help of President Museveni and General Saleh. Now the one of Mbale Industrial Park was President Museveni again and myself. I just thought, I looked at the bureaucratic way of government doing things. And I wanted to do the infrastructure of Namav Industrial Park. You know that it has been there since 1991. So it was taking long. You're very right. This is rather faster. And so I thought if we entered into a JV with a private sector person like the one of Paul Zhang of Mbale Industrial Park, it becomes easier.
Import substitution by nature is designed to reduce imports, and yet Uganda is pursuing several regional and bilateral agreements which might put the countries at crossroads. However, for the State Minister for Investment, there is no contradiction.
For me, all this is not only going to reduce our import bill, but also creating jobs. So when we look at it at that angle, we shouldn't be worried about the bilaterals, the agreements that we sign with all those other countries. We need them because there are certain things that as a country we do not manufacture at all. So we still will have to get them from their countries.
Government through the Uganda Investment Authority says it has the money for compensation for the remaining squatters on industrial park land. It's expected that by March 2020, at least 12 factories will be already established, employing about 2,000 workers. It has taken about 2 years from start to now for this Mbale Industrial Park where we are to be up and running. And thus far there are 3 factories running and employing 400 workers. Now, this seems to be a new spearhead for government for its substitution for imports as a policy, as seen in the last budget. So if this is replicated in many places in Uganda, they worry that power which is produced now will be in excess, will cease to exist. Some will say Tumba NTV in Mbale Industrial Park.